guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the clothes that I bought throughout the holiday season. So some of the stuff is from the day after Black Friday, which I went to Urban Outfitters and they still had the sale. And then some things are just random things that I bought throughout the month because we all know I love shopping. So I'll start with my Urban Outfitters slash day after Black Friday stuff. Maybe everything is not day after Black Friday stuff. I'm like looking at my things and I'm like, we're good. So the first thing I bought, and everything was like 30% off, and I don't have my discount anymore because I used to work for Urban Outfitters and Anthropologie, but they still had their sale, so I love taking advantage of it. So the first thing I bought was this really pretty pillow. It was on sale for $20.70. It's like a $60 pillow, and then I got it 30% off that. So it was a really good deal, and I think it's really pretty. So I really love that. So the second thing I got are these BDG Kick Flare jeans. They're like in a lighter wash, and they're really comfy. They're super high-waisted, which I absolutely love. And I'm super short, so they hit me at like a really good place to do that like kick flare thing without being too long. So I really love these. They're super, super comfortable, and I actually kind of want to get another color of them because I like them so much. Another thing I found was this jacket. I want to say it was $19, but I'm not sure. And then the 30 off that. But it's super fun. It kind of looks like a tapestry. I feel like I have so many things that look like this, but when I find them, like I have to have them because they're so different. And Urban Outfitters clothes haven't been like different lately. It's been very kind of minimalist in a way, and like kind of looks like everything else. Like you can go in Forever 21 and get something in there. But this was super different, so I really love this jacket. It's kind of like oversized, but it's quite light, and I really like it. It's really cute. Is that all from Urban? Look at my receipt. Oh, I can't even hide it. Okay. Oh, and then I got a blanket for Carl, which you guys don't really need to see. It's just a really soft, fluffy blanket that's really, really cute and pink, and he needs a pink blanket, so love that. The next store I went into, and I think the only other store I bought something from on the day after Black Friday was Zara. I love going to Zara. I found this really beautiful long dress that I actually wore for my holiday party at work. It has a really cute turtleneck top, and it's not like tight fitting throughout the bottom, so it's comfortable and you don't have to wear like shapewear if you're worried about like lines or panty lines or whatever. And it has the really trendy animal print, but it's still neutral, so you could do a lot with this dress. I think you could dress it up or down. I wore it with boots kind of to dress this one down a little bit because people out here don't really go wild when they dress for, or not wild, but like dressy. Like people don't really dress up out here, I noticed. But this is really comfy, and it was perfect, and it was reasonably priced. I believe it was like about $30-ish, and for Zara that's really good, and it's really high fashion. It's really hard to find really nice high fashion stuff, so this is a great purchase. Another thing that I got from Zara is something I haven't worn yet. I actually kind of want to wear them together. My mom found this this skirt, and she was like, this is so you. So it is a midi length plaid skirt with a ruffle, and then there's a little bit of a slit in the front. I think this is super cute and super trendy, and once again, Zara has pretty reasonable prices for their things. I loved the fit of this. It fit absolutely perfect, and it is high-waisted. So what I'm gonna do with this skirt is take the other top that I got from Zara, which is a red animal print top. As you can tell, I'm really into prints and animal prints lately. It's very trendy. This one was $40. I got it in extra small. And the sleeves are the best thing about this because it doesn't fit like a classic top. Like the sleeves kind of stick out a little bit, so you get the like puff kind of sleeve, but it tapers in at the end. It has a more put together look, and you can wear this dressed up or down. What I want to do is pair these two pieces together, tuck this into that. And I was gonna wear it for my holiday party, but I thought it was a little bit too dressed up, but I wanna wear it soon, maybe Christmas. I love mixing like random things that you wouldn't like think to mix. You wouldn't think to mix like a leopard print and like a plaid, but it completely goes. So I love that. And then the last thing I got, it's over here, I have to grab it. Is this super warm fluffy coat from Zara. I wanted one of those fluffy teddy bear coats so bad, and this was the exact color I wanted in. And it's so warm, it's so comfy, and it's so trendy. I wore it over, let me grab it. I wore it over this dress, and it's just beautiful. This is just such a classy, put together, sophisticated look that I absolutely love. So this is one of my favorite outfits that I've gotten this year, and this coat is just everything. So you can find the coats at like a lot of places though, but Zara's prices are so reasonably priced, and if you want to like splurge on, and it's not even a splurge because I think their prices are pretty good. It's like some of them are like $100 for a jacket, which if you want a nice jacket that fits really nice and has really nice materials, go to Zara, check them out. I think you guys will really like it. And then I'll show you what I got, I think it was like a week or two ago, at Macy's. So the first thing that I got at Macy's is this really fun skirt by the brand Layden. I've never heard of them. It's a really fun print. I really love the white. There's little flakes of like silver metallic in there. So this is like a high-waisted skirt, and it's not too short, which is actually really nice too. So right now with like a pair of tights underneath, like a really fun top and like a jacket, I think this is a really cute, sophisticated look. The other skirt that I got two skirts in the middle of like almost winter, but it's not really cold out here, so you could wear whatever you want, is this faux leather skirt, also high-waisted. I wasn't sure about this when I saw it, but it was such a good deal. I got it for $19. I put it on and it fit absolutely perfect. I thought this was gonna stick out and be a little bit obnoxious, the two like knots, but it really wasn't too bad, and it's not that short, which is also nice. You could wear it to work, pair with a really cute top. This could be dressed up or down. I got it in a size 0, and the other thing that I actually tried on with it, and I kind of want to wear this together one day when it gets a little like warmer out, is this really fun vintage inspired t-shirt. I think this is in an extra large, but it has that like loose vintage fit, and it says NASA, and it has a little spaceship, which is adorable. When I tried this on, I actually tried these on together, and I absolutely love the look. It makes the skirt a little bit more casual with the like little top tucked in, but like loosely tucked in, so it's not like fully tucked in because it looks really weird. But if you tuck it in a little bit in the front, it has like that messy, fun look, but this brings everything together. And I got this shirt for $10, so it was a really good deal. I have so many graphic t-shirts, I don't need them anymore. I've been trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff, but I love this one. I thought it'd be a really cute addition. I love space stuff, so anything like aliens or space, I just love. The last thing I got during my trip to Macy's was a Free People top. This is like a linen fabric, great for the summer. It's cropped, and it has like the drawstring bottom, so it looked really cute, tucked into like something high-waisted, and it has these really awesome arms. I'm obsessed with anything that has like these big, huge arms, and this was just massive, and I absolutely loved it. It has buttons going down, so you could like put a little bralette on underneath and keep it open for like summertime kind of cute, flirty look, or you could button it up, wear it to work with a pair of nice slacks or jeans if you can wear that at work. And then the bottoms have a little tie, so you can make them as loose or as tight as you want them. I usually would like them a little bit tighter. So this is a really fun top, and this is linen material, and I got this one for, I think it was 30-ish. Everything was on sale. And then the last things I got was at H&M a couple weeks ago. I'll pull them right now. Oh, the hat's not here. So I got one of my favorite captain hats. I think I got this for $10. It has that corduroy, but it's like pink, so it's really, really cute. And I have nothing in this color. I don't really wear a lot of pink, but lately I've been really into it. So this is really cute. And then I found a blouse for $10, which I thought was absolutely insane. And it's a really fun blouse. My friend actually got the same one as me, and she loved it, I loved it, and then we both ended up buying it. It ties up in the front. I'll hold it up for you guys. So it's kind of like this. It's see-through, so if it's cold out, you'd probably want to wear a tank underneath it. It has a little tie top and a button down, and then it also has the fun sleeves that are billowed out that I absolutely love with a closure. This one has a button closure, so you can't like adjust the size of the arm sleeve to put your arm through, so you might have to unbutton it if it's not the right size for you. So this is really fun. I love the print on this one, and the colors are awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first haul video. I'll probably be doing one for Zara once they have their sale. It's my favorite sale ever, and it's usually a day or two after Christmas, or 3-ish in that area. And you just get really good deals on their stuff, and I usually end up getting a lot from that. So I will do a video for that too. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.